Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and hi everyone. I'm Behishta Qaderi. On behalf of our team, welcome to our artificial intelligence project presentations. Our project is called Emotion Detective. This is an AI powered educational game which targeted the children between 4 to 6 years old. So the goal of our game is so simple. It will helps the children to identify and names their emotion through storytelling and voice interactions. So, in the next few minutes, my teammate will introduce the uh, technical architecture, AI engine, our user interface design, our live demonstration, and one of the special features which we use it in this system is voice user interface feature, which all of them should will be described. Let's to begin.
Hello, my name is Ahmed, and I will walk you through the technical architecture of our game. The game is mainly built in Python 3 using custom Detector for the graphical interface. It has four main screens, the home screen, the instruction screen, and the game screen, also the results screen. At the core of our system is the adaptive engine. This is our AI component. It tracks the child's accuracy for each of the six emotions separately and uses inverse accuracy weighting to prioritize the emotions the child struggles with the most. So, like if a child keeps getting scared wrong, the engine will show more scared scenarios. For the voice integrations, we integrated speech recognition for microphone input and the library BUI for the text-to-speech output. Also, that creates a full voice user interface. The architecture separates concerns cleanly. The engine has no UI code. The UI has no AI logic, making the system maintainable and also scalable. Now let's take a look under the hood. Here is the actual code powering it all. In this short time, I will explain the most important part of the code. Actually, the code is somehow huge. It's above the 1,000 line of code. So I will just take a look at the most important ones. Firstly, we can see from the line 14 forward until line 50. Here we imported the most used libraries. We auto detect which voice libraries are available. Whisper AI for the transcription. Also Google Speech as the fallback, and either Windows SAPI or PYTTSX3 for the text to speech. Because here is the Whisper library. Here is the Win32cam.client. This is for the Windows users. For the another operating system, we used PYTTSX because for Windows this library is more accurate, so we used it for Windows. Another operating system, it's fine for the another library. The second important part of the code is the TTS. Here is around the line 160. This is the TTS. It runs on the background thread, so it never frees the UI. The generation counter lets us cancel all the speech if the player moves fast. This is the configuration we set here is mainly to keep this TTS running at the background, so the UI looks as it's separate and runs in a separate thread. That's what prevent the cause of the freeze for the UI. Last most important part was the AI engine. It was in the AI adaptive engine. Uh, this is our AI engine. It tracks the accuracy per emotion and uses weighted random selection to show the player more of what they are struggling with. For example, if the child is struggling with one of the emotions, for example, he's struggling with scared, then the AI adaptive engine will try to repeat this one more until the child tackle it. this is the core concept of the AI adaptive. So that's the most important part of the code. And previously, in the last 2 minutes, it was the general explanation for the architecture.
Hello, my name is Mahboobullah Rasuli, and I will show you the user interface design. So, firstly, let's run the code.
Welcome to the Emotion Detective. Tap Play Game to start.
So, as you see, this is our home screen. You can see all 6 emotions displayed with large, colorful emoji card. And this design uses bright color also and large text so that children can navigate it without reading. So there is a 2 option. We click to do how to play, and this is our instruction screen. We broke the rules into the 3 simple visual steps: read, tap, and earn. Each with a large icon. A children aged 4 to 6 can understand this without adult help. So we click to the play game, and this is the game screen. Notice the large story card at the top with the scenario emoji and the 6 big emotion buttons below it, and the star tracker app top. So every element is sized for small fingers and young eyes. And from the home screen to the final tab, every screen was built around one question: could a 4-year-old use this alone? So that is our interface.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdulrahman Ahmed Qasim Ali Mahdi, and now I will illustrate the game live. Let's run the code to open the game.
Welcome to the Emotion Detective. Tap Play Game to start.
To start the game, we should click play game.
Benny is going to the zoo tomorrow.
And here we have our first scenario, and this scenario is Benny is going to the zoo tomorrow. So we need to choose one of Benny's emotions, and let's try with the correct answer that the child will expect. So Benny is excited. Awesome. And as
Lila
you
was
see,
not allowed to play outside.
once we click the correct answer, the bottom flashes green, and we have a star in our tracker, and the game immediately speaks loud and give us compliment like amazing or brilliant or something like this. And now we have our second scenario, and Milo was not allowed to play outside. So Milo now is sad. So we will try now to choose a wrong answer. And once we choose the wrong answer, the bottom will flashes red, and we will get encouraging message instead of prize message. And also we will not have any star in our tracker. Let's do it.
Almost. It was angry.
So this
Lily
is
is
the
opening her
encouraging
birthday
message,
presents.
and that's all. And for the AI hint, if you notice at the bottom, after a few rounds, it shows which emotions that the child struggle with, and this is our adaptive intelligence working in the real time.
Zaid Alfalah. I will explain today about our AI adaptive system. Now, traditional games give every child the same questions in the same order, but ours doesn't. Here we have the home screen for our game. The adaptive engine tracks live accuracy for all 6 emotions. Every emotion starts at 50%. Each time the child answers, that emotion score updates instantly. Now, if you want to start the game,
Lily found a rainbow inside her room.
okay. So here, when an answer is given, the result is recorded immediately. Let's see right now. Lily found a rainbow inside her room.
Almost.
Okay.
It was surprised.
It was surprised.
Milo
So
found a
let's-
puppy at his door.
Okay, let's see.
Almost.
Okay.
It was surprised. Benny is going to the zoo tomorrow.
Okay.
Perfect.
So here also we have the correct
Milo was
answer.
not allowed to play outside. Almost.
Okay.
It was angry. Lily saw a big spider on the wall.
So the smart part is the waiting formula emotions. You are getting wrong get picked more often. The worse your accuracy, the higher the chance that emotion shows up again. Okay, and here we have our code. The worse your accuracy, the higher the chance that emotion shows up again. And we have this line here, and at the end the result screen breaks it all down, showing accuracy per emotion so parents and teachers can see exactly where the child needs the more practice.
Perfect. Great job. 6 out of 10. Keep practicing.
So this is the result page in our game. This make the game a diagnostic tool, not just entertainment.
My name is Kabisha Hafizi, and in this session, I will be explaining how we implemented voice user interface in our group project that was building an educational and AI-powered game for children 4 to 6 years old. Overall, we implemented the voice user interface for input and also giving feedback. It means that the children, when playing the game, can interact with the games totally. It means the children can give input, speak with the game, and also then can take feedback from the game. And we use Google speech recognition for input, and also PITTSX3 for giving the feedback. For example, we can see here, instead of pressing the different options, the children can simply press um, the speak button, and the game
Benny
will
got a big
appear here.
birthday cake. How does the character feel?
Yes, here the game asks the question, and then the children can give feedback again by saying
That's
happy.
right. The character is happy.
And the game give feedback again, that is the question was right, the answer was right or wrong. And the purpose of using this voice user interfaces, because of the children who cannot read, so they can use only their voice and speak, interact with the game. Uh, in conclusion, we built AI educational powered game using different features with Python language, and using different libraries. And we are very happy and grateful that me and my six member in this group work together to build an educational game that aim for children to detect different emotions. Thank you so much.